First at 10, emergency rooms across the valley have seen an increased number of patients, in part because of flu season. CBS 4's Stephen Seeley joins us in the studio. And Stephen, what does the situation currently look like for many hospitals here in the valley?
Well, I spoke to one director of the emergency department at the Harlingen Medical Center, and she tells me it's been a challenging couple of weeks, but it's not something that they haven't seen before.
The flu season is sending many people to the emergency room, filling up hospitals across the valley.
The tendency is most people don't want to go to the doctors or the hospitals, so they tend to wait, but that is causing part of the congestion that we're currently seeing.
It's that congestion that can send hospitals into diversion status. That means hospitals are forced to request ambulances to send patients to another medical center. But it's something health officials plan for. They
can take care of the patients, but at no time is there ever going to be a situation where we run out of places to take care of patients. There are multiple things that we can do.
There's nothing that we need to worry about as far as being overcrowded and people aren't going to be seen. It's just going to take a little bit longer.
But this is something we plan for every year.
At Harlingen Medical Center, Director of ER Connie Manley says treatment is based upon the critical level of each patient.
So if you come in with flu and you have something serious on top of that, you're going to get treated very rapidly. So it's a criteria-based assessment to determine who needs to be treated first.
The increased number of patients doesn't come to a surprise, but Manley wants to educate patients as well as treat them. She stresses that people should go to physicians unless it's dire before heading to the emergency room.
There are alternatives. They could go to their family doctor and get treatment earlier to help prevent some of the more sicker symptoms that might come with this.
Hidalgo County health officials are also reporting a major increase in flu activity. They urge residents to get vaccinated and take precaution to prevent illness, such as washing your hands frequently and covering your sneezes or coughs. In the studio with complete Valley coverage, Stephen Seeley, CBS 4 Valley Tonight.